Hey guys, thanks for joining me back here at the coast. Today's video is going to be about how I wash and treat my hair and how you can achieve this bomb look. Anyways, keep watching and you'll see how I created this magic. So first thing first, I wet my hair. Duh. But it takes a while for my hair to be completely soaked, so I just go ahead and add in my shampoo. I'm using OGX Thick and Full Biotin Collagen Shampoo, aka the purple bottle. Yes, wash it, wash it, wash it. I go through twice with this before going in with my OGX Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. So yeah, I run through it with my fingers, using it as a detangler. I go to work with my powder brush, starting from the ends, moving up to the roots, of course. And then I go in one last time with a nice shampoo, getting everything out. I then saturate and cover my hair using both the OGX Brazilian Keratin Conditioner and Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. Letting my hair soak up all the goodness for about 15 minutes. Here comes the fun part. Here is where I'm going to be using a mixture of my Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner with As I Am's Double Butter Cream. I first take a little bit of my leave-in conditioner, put it all over my hair, and then I go in with my Dr. Thor's Acai Butter. Told y'all this was the truth. I'm telling y'all, it is the truth. Full body. Anyways, after going in on my scalp, I then make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized by parting and scalp twisting each section using a mixture of Shea Moisture's Leave-In Conditioner and As I Am Double Butter Cream. It does take a minute to dry out, so if you're scalp twisting, sometimes I like to make them a little nice, but normally I just go ahead and finger part and just scalp twist away. These scalp twists, they don't have to be perfect, but the smaller they are, the smaller your curls are. So in this video, I did about 6 scalp twists, and then once I was done with that, I went ahead and added perm rods to the end of each twist. So now here is the big reveal. Woohoo! Yes! So before I start to unravel, I put a little bit of Frieda's Frizz into my hand, and I kind of run it over my hair with my fingers really quickly. Then I start to unravel the perm rods, going one by one, of course. I'm taking out each twist. And excuse the gum, guys. I have a gum issue, and yeah, I'm a little ratchet. So once I get everything out and it's all untwisted, I play with it a bit. To get the desired look, you can either do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can leave it just as is with no part, or just get it, just loosen it up a little bit with your fingers. I may have loosened it up a little bit here, so it's a little bit fuzzy, but also the original video that I did for this actually got deleted, and so when I added in my perm rods for this second wash that I did, it was actually a day later than originally. And so the ends are a little frizzy than I would like them to be, but the look still came out a little cute. So yeah, like I said, play around with it a little bit, see how you like it, fluff it up, don't fluff it up, do your thing, And here is the finished product. Yes, 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 yes. Look at them curls popping, popping. I like. Here's a little curl action from the back. Look at that. Look. Somebody come look at this. there you have it. That is how I created this look. And I know I said I was going to show you how I created this magic, but on another video I'll show you how I did my face. Tell me what you guys thought about the hair tutorial and the treatment that I did. I'll try out other products. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Oh, thumbs up it as well. This is very important. If you guys have any other ideas, if you want to see me try anything out on my hair or my face, leave that also in the comments below. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll leave that in the description. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and meet me next time here at the coast.